Warm welcome to all proud aspirants. Hope you all are preparing well for MNS 2021. Practice more and more of questions for MNS 2021, and exam may be conducted on last week probably of April, because as according to the official notice of MNS 2021, it is mentioned that admit cards will be released in the second week of April. So prepare accordingly and be ready for the exams. And now let's start with the Super 30 questions for MNS 2021. Okay, so these questions are mainly from different government exams like SSC, Railway and all, and few questions of these 30 are from the recent Railway NTPC questions. So basically these questions are very important, and the first 10 questions are from general knowledge, next 10 questions from general science, and next 10 questions from general English. So starting with question number 1, the early history of India is written by, correct answer is D, Vincent Arthur Smith. Then question 2, Kalidas Samman is a prestigious arts award presented annually by government of, answer would be B, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 3, non-cooperation movement was withdrawn after, the correct answer would be B, Chauri Chaura incident. Question number 4, who is related to the Alipur bomb case or Maniktola bomb conspiracy? So the correct answer is A, Aurobindo Ghosh. Next question, question number 5. Youngest Nobel laureate as of October 2020 is, correct answer is C, Malala Yousafzai. Then question, so basically Malala Yousafzai got Nobel Prize for Peace at the age of 17 years. Question number 6, National Civil Services Day is celebrated on 21st April, that is correct answer would be C, every year. 7th, full form of NABARD is, correct answer is A, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Question number 8, how many Indian states share boundaries with Nepal? So the correct answer is B, 5. Question 9, which country's Supreme Court is built by India? So the correct answer is D. Many of you have chosen C as the correct answer, but correct answer would be D, Bhutan. Question 10, whose duty it is to communicate to the President all the decisions of the Council of Ministers? So the correct answer is A, Prime Minister. Question 11, which vitamin helps the body to absorb calcium? So the correct answer is vitamin D, not vitamin A at all. So question 12, which is not an example of cartilaginous fish? So correct option would be B, Rohu, because other options, sharks, skates and rays, these are very important examples of cartilaginous fish. Question 13, color of sky is blue because of, correct answer is B, scattering of light. These are few JNPAS exam information. Now question 14, which of the following is not a metal? So the correct answer is B, phosphorus, because phosphorus is a non-metal and others in this list are metals, sodium, aluminium and mercury. These are metals. Question 15, the audible frequency range of hearing for an average human being is from about 20 Hz to 20 kHz. B option is not the correct option. C option is the correct option. Question 16, the term pisciculture is related to C, fish farming. Question 17, lactic acid is mainly found in B, curd. This is a very common and very important question. Question number 18, kilowatt hour, kWh is the unit of, so correct answer would be energy. Kilowatt is the unit of power and then hour for time. So power into time equal to energy. That's why the kilowatt hour is the unit of energy. Now question 19, Nipah. Nipah is a virus. Now coming to question 20, which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? So correct option would be both A and B, MERS as well as SARS. Full form of MERS is Middle East Respiratory Syndrome and SARS is Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. Both of these can be caused by coronavirus. Now English part, question 21, find the synonym of the given word. So the synonym of hound would be beagle, that is option B. Now coming to question 22, find out the word opposite in the meaning of given word, that is antonym. We have to find the antonym to blindness. So the correct answer is C, vista. Question 23, 4 words are given out of which only one word is spelled correctly. Choose the correctly spelled word. So basically this question is from spelling thing. So correct answer would be adjournment, that is option C. Now question 24, again from spellings. So here the correct spelling is that of C, impeccable. Others are wrong. Now question 25, select the alternative which best expresses the meaning of idiom phrase, whichever is given. So a wild goose chase, the meaning of it would be C, useless search. Question 26, choose the one which can be substituted for the given words or sentence. A person unselfishly concerned for or devoted to the welfare of others is altruist. C option. Question 27, 4 alternatives are given. You have to improve the sentence and choose the correct alternative. So the sentence is, Ramesh laid in the shade of a tree before he could walk further. So the correct answer to improve this sentence would be B, lay. Then question 28, the sentence given in the blank is to be filled with the appropriate word. Select the correct alternative out of 4. Health is too important to be dash. These questions are basically from fillers. So health is too important to be neglected. Option C. Then question 29, out of the 4 alternatives we have to choose the best which expresses the same sentence in passive voice. This is the second time I have caught you cheating. So the correct answer would be A option. You have been caught cheating by me for the second time. Question number 30. So basically here direct speech is given. We have to choose the correct option in indirect speech. So where are you going? Father asked me. Correct answer would be D. Father asked me where I was going. Alright. So practice well. Good luck for your MNS 2021.